Hey everyone, so today is Wednesday. This is my allotment diary and gardening diary of me being down here on the plot. I will share with you what I do today so that you can watch it back and see how I've got on. Today I'm hoping to get some of my strawberry red sorted, also get a bit more of my seeds planted and get them up and going. So stay tuned and see what we get up to. Thanks for watching. The thing I've just done is film a review on this soil miller from Wolfgarten. It's a new one which I purchased with some Christmas money. So yeah, stay tuned for that getting posted on Saturday. So as I'm clearing it, I'm digging up some strawberry plants what have grown out of the way. They've grown from the runners which were shooting off from last year. So I'm just going to place them somewhere. So I've got that all cleared. That's all done, but as you can tell, my strawberries are all in patches, so my next job is to dig them all out and separate them and give them room between each other. And then I'm going to put the black membrane down and plant my strawberries back through them. So that keeps it a bit more weed free, which looks like up there. But my raspberry canes have taken over there, so I need to do all that area. But yeah, that's the next plant, and I'm going to put some compost in as well into the soil to give it a bit more nutrients and a bit more food, add some more food to it and get it all back healthy really, ready for this year's crop. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. You may have seen my garlic video which I posted the other day, and that is how they are looking. Look at them, they are doing really well. And my onions are also popping through just over there. You can see them coming through. So yeah, I'm pleased with how they're doing. So yeah. So that is my allotment and gardening diary for today. It's starting to turn a bit dark and I did feel some spots of rain, so that's me done for today. Next time I'm down here, hopefully I will get them strawberries up and the black membrane down and potted back through. That is next time's plan, so fingers crossed we get that done and the weather is fine. Until then, remember, keep gardening.